Hey people, so this little girl, she's constantly climbing up, and that's a binky. Look at that. Do your binky. Jump, jump. What is her name? Jupiter. No, Jamie. Jamie. We call her Jamie.
Everybody wants you to. Not just me.
Come, Tara ma. Climb. Now I want to.
A favor.
Yeah, see this guy. See this guy. See this gadbadu. What are you doing, mad little rabbit? How are you so sweet? How are you so sweet? How are you so sweet? Ayush, aren't you happy? These rabbits roaming about is only possible in this here. And look at this one.